so hot outside. Let me use my brand new Stairlift. And go over here, Russell. To use it, press down this lever, turn it towards you. Sit on it, and use your foot to turn. Press this lever to turn till it locks. It will keep beeping till it locks on its riding position. Then press and hold. On the newer model, we're gonna add music, like an elevator. Honey, you down there? And it will stop and beep. That's your cue to get up on the chair. There's the beep. Then you can get out, use the grab bar. And then to get on it, just do the same thing. Just sit and press up on this paddle. The seat only turns up on the upper position. And up here, it will stop and beep. And then you press the lever here on the side, and then turn. And the chair will lock. It will lock on this position or in this position. And then you press this lever, it will continue beeping till you put it back on riding position. So you press that lever, make sure it's locked. If it's just a little bit off, it will keep beeping. So, and then this is important here. This is your power supply. Oops. It needs to be, amber means it's charging, green is fully charged. If it's red, it means this unit is off or not connected. There's only one button here on the side. Never shut it off. Leave it on. For some reason, the chair is beeping, it annoys you. Don't shut it off. Put the seat back on riding position. That will eliminate that beeping noise. So again, this should be amber or green, not red. If it's red, check that power button here. And that's it.